How do you calculate a pip? Well, in our previous video, we discovered that a pip is also known as the percentage in point and is denoted as the fourth decimal place. Okay, so a pip is 0.0001 in decimals. So how do you calculate the value of one pip? Well, what you would do in Euro USD, you have the exchange rate of 1.0935. You take the pip in decimals and divide it by the exchange rate, which would give you 0.00009144. So how do you calculate the value of one pip? Well, what you would do is you would trade a standard lot, which is 100,000 units of Euro USD at the exchange rate of 1.0935, and multiply it by 100,000, which would give you 9.144 of that particular currency. So how do you calculate the profits with the pips? Very important. So say, for example, you enter a trade and you buy you're trading one standard lot. You would come in at 1.0935, which is the ARTS price. And then after a period of time, for example, you decide that you want to close the trade, you want to get out of the trade, but the price has now moved up to the bid price of 1.950. You close the trade, and the difference between the two is exactly what you would calculate. So you take the difference between the two, which will give you 15 pips, and that's actually what your trade would be worth. Now, if you want to convert that into currency, all you do is you multiply it by the 9.14, and that would actually give you your $137 worth of profit. Remember, if you find value in these videos, then please let us know. Like the video, comment below what you liked about it, and subscribe or share. Subscribe to the channel, because we will always be bringing out more content to increase or to improve and strengthen your Forex education, okay, to make you a better trader. And in terms of making you a better trader, I just wanted to share with you what made me a better trader, and this is a system called the Agimat FX Pro. Okay, so these are the results in just about 3 days. If you want to find out about it, just go to profitsharks.com/Agimat, or there'll be a link in the description. And you have to see this, because here you can see that not only were they trading currencies here, but this is the NAS 100 as well. Took a small loss. You know, there's no shame in taking some losses sometimes, but this system does give you a 90% accuracy as well. There's more information. There's over 2,000 happy customers, even a lot more, and a very large community online. You also see some of the results here, guys. Look, listen, if you want to know when the market maker is going to be moving, you have to know, it says here, you have to know the moves of the market maker before they start to move. And this system is going to identify those turns in the market. No more guesswork, guys, with your hard-earned money, okay? Treat your trading as a business and let it stop paying you as a hobby, okay? Treat it as a business, guys, and get the tools that you need to perform in your business, okay? You can click on this video and see how $319 was generated in 2 minutes, 215 pounds, however you convert it. And you can just click get access now. Installation is fast and easy. I could go on and on about this system, but you know, maybe I'll bring on a few more people to give some testimonials as well. You can join our group as well. There'll be a link in the description where you can join us. You get full support. There's videos showing you what to do, when to take the trade, when to enter. It's just so much. So if you are a newbie, if you're an experienced trader, if you are an intermediate trader, no matter what level you are, there's always room for improvement, okay? And these tools, like this tool here, which is an MT4, sits on your MT4 platform, okay? This tool is certainly going to go a long way to improving your trades, whether you're scalping or whether you're swing trading, okay? So make sure you check that out. Lots of information there for you to go through. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram as well. Again, my contact details on there. Just pop through if you've got any questions or concerns, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. And really look forward to producing more content for you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos that we're going to be putting out there for you. And until then, you take care, trade well, and be blessed.